isn't just making your life easier. It's protecting entire countries. Right now, powerful nations are using artificial intelligence to defend their borders, predict threats, and even control autonomous weapons. But how far has this gone? Let's start with the United States. The Pentagon is using AI to detect missiles in real time and control drones that can make split-second combat decisions. Systems like Project Maven analyze hours of surveillance footage in seconds, something no human can do. While China is building AI-powered submarines and surveillance systems that can track enemy movement 24/7. Their strategy is simple: use AI to make faster decisions than any human general ever could. Russia is experimenting with AI in cyber defense and autonomous tanks. They're building systems that can detect cyber attacks before they even happen and launch digital counterattacks in seconds. But it's not just superpowers. Countries like Israel, India, and South Korea are also investing heavily in AI-based defense, from smart border surveillance to robotic soldiers. Here's the scary part. Experts warn that AI could one day make decisions without human approval. Imagine an autonomous system deciding to fire a missile on its own. That's why world leaders are now debating how to keep AI under control. AI is changing the future of war faster than anyone expected. What do you think? Should countries rely on AI for defense? Comment your thoughts and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing tech stories.